In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Canva templates. Share link of Canva templates. If you've ever designed something in Canva and wanted others to use it without changing your original, this is exactly what you need. A template link lets people open your design as a fresh copy in their own Canva account, so your source file stays safe and untouched. Start by opening Canva and pulling up the exact design you want to share as a template. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can access all the sharing options. This works on desktop and mobile, and the layout is similar across both, with the controls living in the top right corner. Next, look for the share button in the top right of the editor. Give that a click to open the sharing panel. You'll see a lot of options here, like inviting people or adjusting permissions, but for this purpose, you don't want to send an edit link or a view-only link. Those would either allow changes to your original or only let people look at it. Instead, you want the option that specifically says template link. If you don't see template link right away, don't worry. Scroll the options horizontally, or click the More button, which looks like 3 dots. Canva sometimes tucks it there depending on your screen size or recent updates. Once you find template link, select it. Now click Create Template Link. Canva will generate a unique URL tied to your design. This link is special. When someone opens it, they'll see a Use Template button, and clicking that creates a new, separate copy in their account. They can customize it freely, and your original design remains unchanged. If someone isn't logged into Canva, they'll be prompted to sign in or create an account before using it. When the link appears, click Copy. You can paste it anywhere you like. Send it in a message, drop it in an email, or add it to your course materials or website. A quick pro tip: test the link yourself by opening it in a private browser window. You should see the Use Template button, which confirms you selected the right option. Before sharing widely, do a quick review of your design. Remove any personal details you don't want duplicated and ensure fonts or images you're using are licensed for sharing. If your goal is to sell or distribute templates, clear labeling inside the design, like placeholder text and instructions, can make it even more user-friendly. That's it. Thanks for watching.